Hello everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I made a pendant from a mosaic inspired technique. Firstly, take a white color sheet of polymer clay on the pasta machine's highest thickness. I pressed a round steel cutter on the clay to outline its shape. Remove the excess clay. I took some head pins. Remove its tip and cut it into half with a wire cutter. Make such pieces in more quantities. Place the cut metal pieces on the clay using a tweezer. Focus on forming a triangular mosaic pattern. Don't press the metal into clay yet. Just arrange it on the top layer so that we can easily adjust the pattern later. There is no specific pattern to follow here. Do as you wish. You can form squares, rectangles, whatever you prefer. You can use head pins, eye pins, or straight wires for these tiny pieces. I'm using an acrylic block to press the pieces into the clay. Use a paper in between to prevent distortion. You can further embed the pieces into the clay individually. I'm using different colors of heat-resistant holographic glitters. Apply colors randomly in every triangle using a pointed brush. Before applying glitter, you can coat the clay with a thin layer of liquid clay or glue if you want. I sped the video as applying glitter takes a long time. I used light blue, lavender, purple, bluish green, and silver shades. After completion, remove the excess glitter. Cut the shape out of the slab carefully. If any pieces got distorted, arrange them again. I baked the piece for 1 hour. This is the baked piece. I have not sanded it yet. Don't disturb it before sealing, otherwise metal pieces will fall off. Then you will again have to attach them, which will be a huge mess. I seal the piece with resin. This is a sanded and assembled piece. My camera did not capture the beautiful shine. I switched off all lights and showing it under a flashlight now. Hope you like this technique. Have a lovely day ahead. See you in the next video.